to our channel, guys. I am Pranav Pathode and this is my friend Abhilasha Kumbalwar.
We are postgraduate students from Vishweshwaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur, pursuing our MTech in Construction Technology and Management.
Today we are going to learn that how to calculate the crushing value of coarse aggregate.
But first, let's have a brief about what aggregate crushing value is.
Aggregate crushing value gives us the brief idea about the resistance against the crushing of aggregate, which is under the gradual compressive loading.
It also gives us an idea about its durability against crushing action and its suitability in various construction projects such as in pavement design and construction.
So our aim for the test is to determine the crushing value of coarse aggregate conforming to the IS code 2386 Part 4 1963.
The apparatus that we will be needing for this test today are a steel cylinder along with the base plate, a measuring cylinder, tapping rod, plunger, IS sieve of 2.36 mm, IS sieve of size 12.5 mm and 10 mm, and the material that we will be requiring are coarse aggregate.
The sample should consist of the aggregate which are passing through the 12.5 IS sieve and returning on the 10 mm IS sieve.
So basically we will be needing the aggregate which are greater than 10 mm in size and but less than 12.5 mm. So let's start sieving our sample.
So whatever the sample we are getting after sieving, so we are filling that sample in the cylinder in 3 layers.
And each of these layers need to be tapped for 25 times. And you have to take care that while tamping the aggregate should not get crushed due to tamping. After leveling, we have to record the weight of this whole assembly for further calculations. So now we will check the weight of mold with the aggregate. We have got the weight as 13.25 kgs. We will note it down as W1.
Now we are going to place the plunger upon the mold in such a way that it should not stuck in the mold.
And now we'll place this complete assembly in our compression testing machine. Now we will place the sample in compression testing machine. Now we will apply the load in such a way that after 10 minutes the final loading on the assembly will be of 40 tons. Our loading has been completed and now we'll remove the assembly out of the CDI.
Now we will sieve the crushed aggregate through the sieve of size 2.36. Whatever the amount passing through the 2.36 mm IS sieve, we will record it.
So let's check the weight of the fines that has been retained on the pan after sieving through Indian standard sieve of 2.36 mm. So we have got the weight of the fines as 0.923 kgs, and we have also recorded the weight of the empty mold, which we have got as 10.18 kgs.
And it was recorded as the W2 value. Now let's head towards our calculation. So the value recorded for the W1, that is the weight of mold and aggregate, was recorded as 13.25 kgs, and W2, that is the empty weight of mold, that was recorded as 10.18 kgs, and W3, that is the weight of fines, which was recorded as 0.923 kgs. So now we are calculating the crushing value of sample 1. For calculating the crushing value of sample, we have the formula as W3 by W1 minus W2 into 100. So here we get the aggregate crushing value of sample 1, that is 30.06%.
So we have denoted our crushing value of the first sample as C1, which we have got as 30.06%. According to IS code, we have to take values of two such samples for the final value. So we repeated all the procedures on second sample, and the value we have got as 30.23, which we have denoted by C2. So what IS code tells us that we have to take the average value of these C1 and C2. So the average value of C1 and C2 we have got as 30.145%. IS code also tells us that to round off this value to the nearest integer, so the final value of our aggregate crushing test is 30% only.
And now we are having the test results, that is 30% crushing value of the aggregate.
Feel free to ask your doubts in the comment section below, and like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.
Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.